So what we're looking at here is a model year 2002 996 that's about to get an IMS Solution. One of the lessons learned from our last install is making sure you get this joint clean, really clean, everything above it, because if you're trying to wash that down, stuff's going to kick out and you're going to pull that sump plate off, and that's the inside of the motor, so you got to be really careful and really clean. So we've gone around, we've cleaned that up really well. You can see under here all the way around. This was kind of covered. Usually it's power steering fluid that weeps down over the years. Again, it's a 2002, 16 years old, not too bad. You can see when the factory put this guy together, they went a little crazy with the black goo. All that stuff will come off. All this is all cleaned now up under here. So the actual plate itself will clean, bead blast once it's off. And then up in here is where you have to make the cut into the engine case. So wanted to get that nice and clean so that even after I pull the transmission, minimal work up there. So now we got everything good and clean, ready to pull these 10mm bolts out and see what's going on up inside of that sump case. Thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.